Hello, myself Vinod Panara, and in this lecture we discuss about module. Okay, so module, that is group of function, variable and classes saved to a file, and that file, that is nothing but a module. So in Python, every file that is end with .py, that is act as a module. Okay. So for example, mathematics, that is one file and it is end with .py. So this mathematics.py that act as a module. Okay. Now this module contain one variable, that is x is equal to 888, and it contain two function. First function def add ab. So first function is add and second function def product ab. So second function name, that is product. So this mathematics.py, this is one module and it contain one variable and two function. Okay. Now if we want to use member of module in our program, then we should import that module. It means if we want to use any module in our program, then first import that module and then use member of that module. Okay, so how we import that module? By import keyword. So for example, import module name, then we can use member by using module name. For example, module name dot variable. If we want to use variable of that module, then how we use module name dot variable, or module name dot function, we use function of that module. Now there is one another module, test.py, and in this module we use mathematics module. So first import mathematics module by import keyword. So import mathematics, then use member of mathematics module. Okay, so print mathematics dot x, then mathematics dot add 10 and 20. We use add function of mathematics module. Then mathematics dot product 10 and 20. We use product function of mathematics module. Okay. Now this same program mathematics.py and test.py, that is run on PyCharm. So first mathematics.py. Now this module contain one variable, that is x is equal to 888, then two function. First function is add and second function is product. So def add ab, print the sum a plus b, and def product ab, print the product a into b. Now second module, that is test.py, and in this module we use mathematics module. So first import mathematics module. So import mathematics, then print mathematics dot x. It means we use variable of mathematics module. Then mathematics dot add 10 and 20. We use add function of mathematics module. Then mathematics dot product 10 and 20. We use product function of mathematics module. So in our program, if we want to use any module, then first import that module, then use member of that module. Okay. So if we run this program, then answer, that is in first 888, in second the sum 30, because a plus b, that is 20 plus 10, that is 30, and the product a into b, 20 into 10, that is 200. So we use mathematics module in test module. Okay. Then module aliasing. So for example, import mathematics as m. We import mathematics module as m. So now onward we use m in place of mathematics. Okay, so that is module aliasing. Here mathematics is original module name and m is alias name. We can check members by using alias name m. So next module, that is test1.py. So in this module, first import mathematics as m. So we import mathematics module but as m. So m is alias name of mathematics module and now we use m instead of mathematics. Then print m.x. So in place of mathematics, we use m. So m.x, it means variable x of mathematics module. Then m.add 1020, we use add function of mathematics module. Then m.product 10 and 20, we use product function of mathematics module. Now this same program we run in PyCharm. So import mathematics as m, print m.x, then print m.add 1020 and m.product 1020. So if we run this program, then output, that is for first one 888, for second one the sum 30, and for third one the product 200. So in this program we use mathematics module as m. It means now onward we use m in place of mathematics. So alias name is m and real name, that is mathematics. Okay. Then from import, we can import particular member of module by using from and import. The main advantage of this is we can check member directly without using module name. Okay. For example, from mathematics import x and add. From mathematics module import x variable and add function, not import product function. Okay. So print x, then we get 888, then add 10 and 20, we get the sum 30, and if we write product 10 and 20, then we get name error because product that is not imported, product function that is not import from mathematics. We import only two things, x and add function, product function not import. Okay. Now this same program we run in a PyCharm. So from mathematics import x and add, print x, then add 10 and 20 and product 10 and 20. So if we run this program, then output, that is for first one 888, for second one the sum 30, and for third one name error because product that is not import. Okay. We can import all member of module as a follow. From mathematics import star. It means all member of module that is import. Then print x, add 10 and 20 and product 10 and 20. There is a no name error. Okay, so all member of mathematics module that is import. Now this program that is run on PyCharm. So from mathematics import star, import everything. First print x, then add 10 and 20, then product 10 and 20. If we run this program, then output, that is for first one 888, for second one the sum 30, and for third one the product 200. Okay. So in this lecture, we discuss about module. Module, that is, it contain number of function, variable, classes, and in Python, every file end with .py that act as a module. And then in this lecture, we discuss how we import module in any program and how we use member of that module. Okay, so thank you for today lecture.